Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming battery health and the maximum capacity percentage, so you know the baseline. Next, enable optimized battery charging and low power mode to reduce high voltage stress during charging. This preserves chemistry. Once done, avoid topping to 100% routinely and unplug near 80–90% where practical. Also, you should use the original or MFI certified charger because regulated power prevents excess heat. These first steps slow degradation by controlling charge voltage and heat exposure. Now you control the environment and usage to limit battery stress. Keep your iPhone in the recommended temperature range and remove heavy cases while charging to prevent heat buildup. Once done, reduce background activity. Disable background app refresh for power-hungry apps and switch mail to fetch less often. Make Wi-Fi your default and enable low data mode where available to lower radio power. These changes reduce high current draws and thermal cycles that accelerate capacity loss. To finish, keep iOS updated because software tweaks can improve charging behavior and thermal management. You should also calibrate by occasionally letting the battery drop to around 10%, then charging to 100% once in a while, but don't overdo full cycles. If you see steep declines or erratic readings, run diagnostics and consider a certified battery replacement. As a troubleshooting tip, if strange drain persists, reset settings or restore from backup before assuming hardware failure, and then seek service if problems continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.